Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai guys. It could be multiple models Hyundai, and if you want to know where the rear ABS sensor is located, also known as rear wheel speed sensor, stay with us. We will explain that in this video today. We'll be demonstrating on this Hyundai Sonata, but many Hyundais will use about the same location. Things may differ a little bit, but the concept is about the same, and we'll explain what needs to be done to actually replace it and how the ABS system works. Okay, how that sensor actually reads. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that, guys? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. For any of you that need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save quite a bit of money. So let me show you what we have specifically here, okay, and where that ABS wheel speed sensor is located on that specific Hyundai. So this is, as I said, 2013 Hyundai Sonata we'll be demonstrating on. This is the rear wheel hub, okay, right here. That's the hub with the bearing assembly. That's the parking brakes. That's the disc roller. Actually, you have two braking mechanisms. One is for the park brakes, one is the disc brakes. We have the wheel hub, okay, removed right here, you can see, and on the back side of the wheel hub bearing assembly, you have that special device that's actually for the ABS. And if you look through here, that's where the sensor is located, guys. We're going to go ahead and pull that assembly out just to be able to show you a little bit better now. But right here, that's where the sensor is, and that thing will be spinning, and when it spins, actually, okay, it will, the ABS will read, okay, if the wheel is moving, the speed of the wheel and all that stuff. So that's the sensor. It's practically a magnetic sensor, kind of like a camshaft position sensor that detects that. And usually they attach to the to the rear assembly only with about one bolt, guys, 10mm usually, and they'll have an O-ring that will prevent dust, dirt, water going inside. You can see how clean it is. That's great design. 190,000 miles and it's still clean inside. And that's the sensor, okay, right here. If you need to replace it, all you have to do, follow your wire. On different Hyundais will be different. You have a couple of bolts holding the wire to the body, and just go ahead, okay, disconnect it, remove it, replace it with a new one. You don't need to program it or anything like that. We have a special video that, by the way, explains how to test ABS sensor and how to know which ABS sensor is better on your car. All that will be covered, okay, on our channel. We'll have videos about that. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you guys that need that help. If you want to know anything specific about Hyundai, let us know. That way we'll try to make a video if we have some spare time. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.